Let's talk about NFT staking. Guys, NFT staking is probably one of the easiest ways to make money online, but please note this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. So let's see what I've got. So starting off over at CoinGecko, exactly what is NFT staking? I just want to quickly read this sentence out for you. It involves locking up your NFT assets on a DeFi protocol in exchange for staking rewards and other benefits. Staking allows you to generate yield from your NFTs while maintaining ownership. It's like staking cryptocurrencies where you hold on to your coins and earn rewards for doing so. One of the biggest games in the world for NFT staking is Wolf Game. Now that might just look like a normal game, okay? Maybe even a less than normal game with the pixelated images. But I promise you, with the staking of the NFTs here, all right, you can make some serious money. Now, I'm not here to promote this game in particular. It's just one of the easiest to give you accountability on. But so look, people would look at this NFT and see just a normal and non-fungible token, just a pixelated wolf, sheep, whatever it is, okay? Now, when you actually go into the game, you'll start to realize that you can get a serious amount of crypto for staking your NFT, okay? Now, it's a really easy way to do. You have land, you have wolves, you have sheep, you have wool, and you have farmers. They all do different things with the NFT size, okay? Wolves are obviously the most aggressive actors in the wolf game. They show no mercy and they'll capture sheep and the most precious resource from the farmers. Dive into this game if you do want to play it, but my point to this is it's one of the easiest to get involved in. If you have the accountability, if you have the wallet, if you have the crypto, please get yourself one and start staking these NFTs. It's by far the biggest in staking NFTs. Now, back to the article, how does it actually work? So staking NFTs shares some similarities with depositing money in a bank savings account. Your funds are held for a given period and they earn interest. While NFTs don't actually work exactly like that, the primary concept is the exact same. Another huge project is Axie Infinity, okay? That will give you a very good example of how they have developed the staking aspect here, okay? Now, you can use your NFT to play these games and you can use them to stake them at the same time, no matter what project it is, okay? Just read about the utilities, read about the different games of the ecosystem, and see how you can stake your NFT to make money. Axie Infinity is huge, all right? There's so much money being pulled out, being put in to Axie Infinity, so get involved as soon as you can. You can get it over on OpenSea, all right? But this is just another example of how big NFT projects can blow up when using the staking feature. So that's an easy way to make money, but how do you actually constantly make money through this, okay? Again, note the disclaimer at the start of the video. You can actually come onto places like Sorter, all right? It's gonna help you with learning how to get involved with the staking aspect of NFTs, okay? How much money can you make with it? When your NFT's locked on a staking platform, the amount of reward you will get will depend on various factors as the annual percentage APY, the staking duration, and the number of NFT staked. Guys, you can buy multiple, you can buy batches, okay? Or you can just stake one for a certain period of time. It all depends on what that project is paying out. But usually at the start of a project, you start getting bigger payouts. Okay, as it moves forward, that coin is worth more, you'll make more money. Now, the rarer your NFT, the higher APY will be. Another important factor is to determine the value of the NFT and the capacity to generate a stable income through royalties. Royalties are a huge way people are making money in the crypto world. There you go, guys. Please do me a massive favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Have fun with the NFT staking, and I'll see you next time.